Before me starting mastering diabetes, my triglycerides were in the upper 400s, and that was very high. And within 4 months of me being in this program, my triglycerides came down to in the 100s, and that's perfectly normal range. I weighed 200 pounds when I started, and like 4 months in, I weighed 160 pounds, and that's 40 pounds lost in 4 months. And then later on, I lost more weight, so that was a 50-pound total loss, and that's very, very exciting. Other things I've tried in the past to help me lose weight was Atkins diet, the low carb diet. I also tried a carnivore diet. I also tried Weight Watchers style, like lower your calorie. I also tried intermittent fasting. I also tried where you switch off days, high carb, low carb. So like to change up the metabolism. That actually worked for a month or two. So I got very excited, and then it petered out. So basically I was starving myself or very restricting myself, and I was just not losing weight. And I also felt like nobody was believing me that I'm on a diet. Like, why is your weight so high? And why is your blood work so bad? And you're telling us all these things. Like, I went to the gym every single day. I worked very hard. I was very committed. I ate healthy for what those programs called for, and nothing was working. So that was very frustrating. The main reason that I did Mastering Diabetes, this program, was because I was struggling a lot with weight loss and polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS. It's a symptomatic disease. One of the symptoms are irregular periods, weight gain, insulin resistance, infertility, cysts on your ovaries. These are all symptoms that are part of that make this disease. And we try to manage the symptoms. The main way to manage the symptoms is through weight loss. Once we try and get the weight down, then everything could fall into place. However, because of the insulin resistance, we have a very hard time losing weight. I've tried all the diets in the whole wide world, and nothing worked for me. Even the low carb diet that everybody says, and it did work for a while, but I was feeling very brain foggy and very cold. I wasn't feeling well at all. And then the doctor started with the medicines and different things, and I was just fed up. Also, I was having health issues. I had hyperplasia. I also had my triglycerides were very, very high. And I knew there has to be something else other than what the doctor is telling me that can help me. And then I delved into the natural world, and I Googled and I searched until I found this. Okay, the main thing really that caught my eye about this diet was that on the website it says lower your insulin resistance. I'm like, okay. First, I was overwhelmed when I heard the no oil, the no fat. It was a little overwhelming. However, once I looked into it further, I saw there's no calorie counting. You can eat as much as you want from the allowed foods on this program. There's abundance that can be. There's fruits and there's vegetables and grains. There is a lot of delicious fruits. It's also easy to grab. That's also, but the main thing that caught my eye said, lower your insulin resistance. I'm like, let me lower it. One of the main reasons that I wanted to get my PCOS under control was because I was having high triglycerides. My numbers were very high, and I'm like 38 years old. I didn't think I was that old to have these kind of numbers. Also, I was having uterine hyperplasia, and they told me that it's precancerous. So those were very, very concerning to me. The doctor even told me maybe you should consider joining a gym. And that was very hurtful to me because I'm very committed, and I wasn't lying. I'm not trying to make stuff up. And I was following all these diets. So I was very confused, and I was very frustrated, and I was also very scared. I had precancerous uterine hyperplasia. I also have very high triglycerides. I'm also very young. I was having very irregular periods, which I know is not a good thing. So all that together, this is why I wanted to get my PCOS under control. And then the good things started happening. So I lost a lot of weight. I felt amazing. I really felt like I had so much energy. I felt very focused. I didn't feel restricted. I was able to eat when I wanted. Like, even I can go out and get a smoothie with no added anything, just water. Delicious. And then my period started coming back. My cycle started coming back. And surprise, surprise, I became pregnant. So that was very, very exciting and unexpected. But on the flip side, I went for follow-up blood work, and my triglycerides were normal within 3 to 4 months of me being on this diet. Normal in the 100 range. Also, the hyperplasia went away because the cycles came back. That was unbelievable to me, that after running to all the doctors and doing all the diets and taking metformin and doing all the things, nothing worked. So I was very, very blown away. Before me starting mastering diabetes, my triglycerides were in the upper 400s, and that was very high. And within 4 months of me being in this program, my triglycerides came down to in the 100s, and that's perfectly normal range. When the doctor saw the blood work, he's like, continue doing whatever you're doing because it's working. So that was very exciting and also validating to me for the first time ever. So before mastering diabetes, I was taking metformin. And at one point it wasn't working. So the doctor even suggested maybe we should up the dose. And it was making me feel horrible. I was very upset that it was on the drug, but I was just doing it. And then once the blood work came back and it was showing that I'm doing so much better, the doctor said, you can just get off metformin. I was very excited. I weighed 200 pounds when I started. And like 4 months in, I weighed 160 pounds, and that's 40 pounds lost in 4 months. And then later on, I lost more weight. So that was a 50-pound total loss. And that's very, very exciting. This is very exciting for me because it's the first time in my life that I was able to lose this amount of weight so easily. Every week going on the scale, the weight coming off, and I'm eating all the delicious food that I want. I'm not really counting calories. And also I know that my weight directly affects the symptoms of PCOS, because once the weight goes up, all the symptoms come back. So those are the two reasons why it's very exciting for me. Since being a mastering diabetes, I've noticed a big increase in my energy. I have a lot of more focus during the day. I also feel like my moods are up, my spirits are up. And one of the things about PCOS is you do get mood swings, and I'm finding my moods being pretty upbeat, and that's a very good feeling for me. Also, I'm sleeping a lot better at night. I wake up, I feel refreshed. I do feel a lot better when I'm eating healthy and clean, according to mastering diabetes. I feel like it's doing my body a lot of good. The biggest lessons I've learned from this experience is you are what you eat. And it's all about eating healthy, making the right choices, educating yourself. You have to be responsible. You're your own advocate. And if you know something's not right and something's not adding up, advocate for yourself and see what you can do to help yourself. The tools I like the most about this program is the coaching. I have a phenomenal coach. I really like her. She follows up with me, and she's invested that I do well, and she encourages me. And sometimes she's like, I didn't see you in 2 weeks. Are you doing okay? Are you still on it? I really like that. And sometimes I need that push. I'm like, I'm still here. I'm still here. So it's very encouraging. Another one tool is that everyone posts their meals on the community forum. And first of all, it gives me inspiration what other people are eating. And also, we're all doing this together. We're all eating the stuff. We're all doing this. Everyone's in it. It's good. It's great. But the main thing is the coaching. I love the coaching. I also got a lot of support. They give you tons of support. They want you to succeed. They guide you very, very much. And the greatest gift I got back is my health. I got back my energy, my moods, my cycles came back, my blood work is good, and I want to be a healthy mom to my kids. I want to live to be very ripe and old. So I'm very happy that I got this opportunity to learn about this diet. I feel bad for some people that don't know about it. Someone that's still skeptical about thinking to join, I always say, what have you got to lose? When I got my blood work back and the doctor wanted to do a surgery on me for the hyperplasia, I told my husband, give me 3 months. Let's see what happens in 3 months, and then we'll see what we'll do. And after 3 months, we saw such amazing results. I was so happy. That's what I tell to anyone on the fence. Why are you even thinking about it? You have nothing to lose.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes Meal Guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.